Are you tired of dealing with uncomfortable, outdated toilets that just don't meet your needs? Here are the 5 best options I found and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1, Angel Soft Mega Rolls. Let's kick things off with the Angel Soft toilet paper, priced at $12.66. What caught my eye was the fact that each mega roll is 4 times larger than standard rolls, meaning you won't be changing rolls as often. If you want a long-lasting, soft toilet paper that won't break the bank, this is worth a serious look. So here's why this matters for you specifically. Each roll has 320 sheets, totaling 5,760 sheets in the pack. With over 100,000 units sold in just the past month, it's clearly a favorite among families. The 2-ply design not only provides comfort, but also ensures durability, so you won't have to worry about tearing. Plus, it's septic safe, which is crucial if you're using a well-maintained system. This means you can flush with confidence without clogging up your plumbing. Now, some people complained about it being a bit too soft for their liking, saying they prefer something thicker. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a balance between comfort and strength, this is still a solid choice. It might not be for everyone, but for most households, it hits the mark. This is perfect for you if you want an economical and reliable toilet paper option that lasts. Skip this one if you're after ultra-thick luxury options, but for everyday use, it's a great value. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking to improve their bathroom experience.
Product number 2, Squatty Potty Stool. The Squatty Potty Simple Curve Bathroom Toilet Stool, priced at $20.69. What grabbed my attention is its unique design aimed at improving your bathroom experience. If you want to enhance your comfort and efficiency while doing your business, this product is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Squatty Potty positions your body at a 35-degree angle, which helps you eliminate waste more effectively. It's doctor recommended, and that's no joke. A lot of people struggle with constipation or discomfort, and this simple stool can really help. It's lightweight, easy to clean, and fits most standard toilets, making it a practical addition to any bathroom. Thousands have already bought it, and the feedback is positive for a reason. Now, some users found it a bit cumbersome to store when not in use, but here's the thing. If you're serious about improving your bathroom visits, this becomes a tool you'll want to keep nearby. It's not just a stool, it's a game changer for your health. This is perfect for you if you suffer from occasional constipation or just want a more comfortable experience. Skip this if you prefer traditional bathroom setups without any extra equipment, but I'd say it's a small price for a significant benefit. Now, if the Squatty Potty's design doesn't suit you, this next product offers a different approach to comfort.
Product number 3, Kohler Cachet Toilet Seat. The Kohler 4636-RL-0 Cachet Ready Latch Elongated Toilet Seat. While I couldn't find a price listed, the quality is evident. The slow close feature really caught my attention because, let's be honest, nobody enjoys that loud crash when the seat slams down. If you want a toilet seat that combines comfort and convenience, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It features grip-tight installation hardware, which makes it super easy to attach securely without any hassle. The Ready Latch hinge ensures that it stays put, yet is easy to remove for cleaning. Plus, the contoured design adds comfort, so you don't feel like you're sitting on a hard surface. It's made from durable plastic and fits most elongated toilets, making it a practical choice. Now, some users reported that it can shift slightly if not installed correctly, but here's the thing. As long as you follow the installation instructions, you should be fine. It's a subtle flaw, but something to keep in mind. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable and comfortable toilet seat without all the fuss. Skip this if you're looking for something more luxurious, but for an everyday seat, it's a solid investment. Alright, that was a great option, but if you're looking for something to help keep your toilet clean, the next product is a must-see. Product number 4, Hamator Toilet Brush Set. Next on the list is the Hamator Toilet Bowl Brush Holder Set, priced at just $9.99. What really caught my attention was its unique design that promises deep cleaning without the fuss.
If you want an efficient and stylish toilet cleaning solution, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The S-shaped bristles are designed to reach all those hard-to-clean areas in your toilet bowl, effectively removing odors and stains. It has a 360-degree cleaning capability that makes it easier to tackle every corner. Plus, the holder design is open and hanging, which allows for quick drying, keeping your bathroom hygienic. With thousands sold, it's clear that people appreciate its effectiveness and modern design. Now, some folks found the handle a bit short for their liking, but here's the thing. If you're looking for a brush that gets the job done without taking up too much space, this design is still incredibly practical. This is perfect for you if you want a cleaning tool that looks good while performing well. Skip this if you prefer traditional, bulky toilet brushes, but for a more stylish and efficient option, it's a great deal. Now, if you're looking for a more powerful cleaning solution, the next product brings something special.
Product number 5, the Diziwani Pumice Cleaning Stone, available for $8.97. What drew me in was its ability to tackle hard water stains effortlessly. If you want a simple, natural solution for tough toilet stains, this one's worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This pumice stone uses gentle abrasive action to remove calcium and lime deposits without scratching your toilet. It comes with a handle, which is great for keeping your hands clean while you scrub. With its compact size, you can easily store it away, and it's suitable for various surfaces, making it a versatile cleaning tool. Now, some customers mentioned that it might take a bit of elbow grease for tough stains, but here's the thing. If you're willing to put in a little effort, this product can really restore your toilet's shine. This is perfect for you if you often deal with hard water stains and want an eco-friendly cleaning solution. Skip it if you're looking for something that requires zero scrubbing, but for a little work, it's an effective cleaning tool. If you're looking for a natural way to keep your bathroom spotless, this is a fantastic option.
If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Squatty Potty because it truly enhances your bathroom experience by promoting better health. However, I'd recommend skipping the Kohler toilet seat if you're looking for something ultra plush. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.